Hey, well, Johnson & Johnson is confirming that it has reduced the number of trial participants in its major phase 3 trial for its COVID-19 vaccine to 40,000. They had planned to enroll up to 60,000 people in this phase 3 trial. And essentially in this statement, they're saying it's because of the high incidence of COVID-19 in the general population. So they say now that 40,000 participants will generate the data needed to determine the safety and efficacy of the vaccine. This was first mentioned by Moncef Slaoui from Operation Warp Speed today in the government's briefing, and Stat News had reported the reason behind that cut, that because COVID-19 is unfortunately so prevalent, they do expect they could get that data faster. Now, Johnson & Johnson saying in terms of the timing, they expect that the interim data will be available by the end of January. If the vaccine's safe and effective, an emergency use authorization application could be submitted in February. Moncef Slaoui had given a faster timeline today, guys. He had suggested the interim data could be coming in early January and an EUA potentially granted in late January or February. And guys, that would add a lot of supply to the U.S. COVID-19 vaccine supply chain. This is just a one-dose vaccine, so you get a lot farther with the supply of it, guys.
And Meg, so the J&J vaccine uses different technology, right? Something more established for a vaccine than the mRNA that we've seen with Pfizer and Moderna. How are the experts that you're talking to feeling in terms of how optimistic they are about efficacy rates? Could we see anything like the 90-95% rates that we were seeing from Pfizer and Moderna?
So Johnson & Johnson's technology is a little bit more tried, I guess, than the mRNA technology for vaccines, but it is still a pretty new technology. They're essentially using a harmless virus to ferry genetic material from the coronavirus to our body. So only, I believe, J&J's Ebola vaccine is approved based on this technology. So it's still fairly new. It's also one shot, and so we don't know how well one dose of this technology is going to work. Moncef Slaoui was saying today that the data from the Pfizer and BioNTech documents that were posted yesterday on protection after one dose are encouraging. That provided about 52% protection after one shot with the mRNA vaccine. And so, will we be seeing around 50%? Will we be seeing higher? It is a key question, and one, Sarah, that I am particularly excited to find out about, and hopefully we'll find out in early January.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.